Back to my channel once again. In today's video we are going to look at how to create company brochure, like company brochure using CorelDraw. All right, so this is what I mean by company brochure, what you have on your screen. All right, so we are going to go through a step-by-step process how to create this kind of company brochure. All right, so without any further ado, let's jump into the video. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stick to the end of this video. So this is the frame, all right, like the margin. I've set the margin, and if you don't know how to create margin for your brochure, okay, using CorelDraw, I will attach the link because I made a video on how to create margin for your brochure. So I will attach the link of that video under the description. Okay, so once you create your margin like this, I'm using A3, so I'm now then turn it to landscape instead of portrait. So you have it on landscape. Once you have it on landscape, you have something like this. So you come here, that's your rectangle tool, you draw something like this. Okay, so we are going to first of all, as you can see, we are just going to copy this, what you have here in this your page dimension. You are going to copy it and then use it to set the same page dimension on this particular rectangle you have here. All right, copy what you have here, then paste it on this other one. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm doing. So now we have the exact same margin of this particular rectangle. All right, so press letter P on your keyboard to take it to the center and then remove the outline. When you look closely, you know that we have an outline there. So come here and right click on it, then click on set outline color. All right, so now you have the complete page now. So what you are going to do next is to divide the page into two. You know, brochure have the front page and then the back page. So this, I'm going to design the front here and the back here. So first of all, I'm going to now bring this to the center, click and drag to the center, right? Then you leave it there. Okay, so now you have the front page here. So now if you look closely, there's nothing here, so you need to copy what you have here to this other side. So come click here and then press pull down your control key, then right click immediately to have a duplicate. So you have this, let me give you a color so that you can see. So you have this, you equally have this other one that looks like this. All right, so you equally have this. Okay, so this will be the front and this will be the back page. All right, so I'm going to take it to the white background that we have. So the next thing we are going to do, let me go and bring the already design project so that we can see what we are doing. All right, so I'm going to copy this, copy, and I will take it to our normal page so that we can have it side by side so that we can see and compare what we are doing. All right, so this is what we are going to do. So the next thing you are going to do, guys, you are going to click here and drag. Just come to this, call this knot, just click and drag while holding down your shift key and bring it to the center like this. Okay, just click and drag, bring it to the center, then right click immediately before you release your hand from the mouse. Right click on it. Let me give you the color so that you see that we have something here. All right, so so we are going to paste this here because we are going to power clip this design into this particular one. So now right click on this so you see power clip. Once you right click, then you come here and click on this place, so you have something like this. Okay, now without any further ado, we are going to also divide this other side, or let's finish with this first. When you look closely, you can see that we have a logo, something that looks like a logo here. All right, so we are going to create that logo. So all you need to do, you come here, see this place that says polygon tools, come to your polygon tool and click on it, and then you can draw your polygon. As you can see, if you look closely, we have 5 that makes it the polygon. So we are going to add 1 to make it 6. So I'm going to click here to add one to make it 6. Then come here and change this to 300. Press enter on your keyboard. Alright, so you have something like this. Okay, yeah, let me leave it here close to this other one so that you can see what we are doing. So now the next thing you are going to do, you are going to come here, this your pen tools, click, alright, and just click and drag like this, drag like this. Alright, then click on this curve tool, that's your shape tool rather, and then just double click here to remove that curve, and double click here as well, and then click here to adjust this curve. Alright, something like this. Right, once you adjust it like that, so I'm not going to be very accurate with the first one, but yeah, just showing you how you can do it. Okay, because I've already done it. So you just have to click and drop it there, then you duplicate this and you can drop one here, drop one here, drop another one. That's control. Just you right click on it. When you right click, what I mean by duplicate, you right click on it, you see copy, then you right click on it again, you see paste. That's how you duplicate. But if you know how to do double R, that's control R. Once you duplicate the first one, you can do double, that's R to duplicate, something like this. All right, or you click, drag and right click, it will still give you the same result. I don't know if you understand what I mean. If you don't understand anything that I'm saying, that means you have not watched the beginners class. All right, so yeah, you have to go and watch the beginners class to understand completely. If not, just follow up. Yeah, you will understand with time. All right, yeah, follow up. So I'm just gonna have something like this, guys. So this is what I'm going to have. I think that I'll just leave it like this. That's what I'm going to have. Then I'm going to bring this one. Let me duplicate one more. Just gonna have one more here. Yeah, just like this. Okay, once that is done, select all of them, that's the lines, then click here, press down your control key, then right click immediately to have a duplicate on this other side. All right, then click on this place that says smart fill, begin to add stuff here. All right, move to the next one, move to the next one, move to the next one, to the next one, to the next one. All right, so you have something like this. Then come here and click on this place that says crop tool, then you choose the visual segments to delete these up ones. These ones, we don't need this one any longer. That's this one. We don't need this any longer. We don't need this any longer. So you can just do like this and delete. All right, means we don't need this. Okay, we don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this as well. So what I want to delete, yeah. So you can equally do the same thing here. You don't need this. You don't need this. You don't need this. So what I'm doing, I'm deleting the other lines, the one that we don't need. All right, look closely, we have something here, so remove this, remove this. Trying to remove that, doesn't come up, but then yeah, we don't need it. So the next thing, we are going to give this color, this kind of color, instead of blue, a red color. Be a red color. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like or love what we are doing here. So then all you need to do, you select all of them, give this a red color as well. Just leave it like that. Okay, so right click, like drag and cover the whole object and take it over here, and then remove the outline, group it, okay, and remove the outline. Click here to remove the outline. So at the end of the day, you will have something similar to what we have over here. All right, so that's how I was able to create this. It doesn't look perfect like the one I created before, but like you have the idea. All right, so that's what we have here. So I'm going to bring that to the other side. Okay, I'm going to bring it to the other side. So that we can use for our project. Okay, so I'm going to have it here. Then the name of the company, you can just type whatever name you want to type and use it. All right, so I'm going to use the same name, because then you drop the name here. So this is the name of the company that we are using. All right, so you write the name of the company, you drop it somewhere here. So I'm going to group it. All right, then bring it here. You can drop this one here, because we are still going to drop another one somewhere here. All right, okay, drop another one here, use it, leave it somewhere here. Okay, now let's move on. I think we were able to get the logo. I believe if you don't understand everything that we are doing, just drop me a comment under the comment section, and I will try my best to explain it under the comment section, anything you missed. So the next thing you are going to do, you click here, the rectangle tool, and draw something like this. All right, just draw something like this. Don't bother about anything, just keep drawing. Draw your stuff, make sure everything aligned. Okay, make sure everything aligned, then give it a red color. Remove the outline as usual, because if you don't remove the outline, you find out that this place will be black. All this side will be black. As you can see, this is black. So that's why I said you should remove the outline. You click here, then remove the outline. All right, so now the next thing you are going to do, click on this thing, click on this particular red one, the rectangle one, then click here, come to your transparency mode, click on transparency mode, then go to this normal and change from this normal to logical AND. All right, so you have something like this. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do, we are going to look at this other one. Yeah, so yeah, it's just normal typing. You type your stuff, the construction company, whatever, and drop it somewhere here. All right, construction company stuff that we have here, you just type it and drop it there. You can remove the logo, drag this one, drop it somewhere here. All right, now we are going to look at how we will be able to create the black, give it a background to this other one, the back side. So the back side, the next thing we are going to do for the back side, we are going to click on this place and drag it down, just like that. Continue dragging. Once you get here, right click on it immediately to have a duplicate. Let me give it a black color, okay, so that you can see that we have a duplicate of that. Once that is done, you can take it up a little bit, then duplicate this again. Just click and drag up and give it a red color. Take it up a little bit. Okay, yeah, something like this, guys. So you will have something like this. Now we can do the same thing here, so that we can have, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this and paste here. All right, then I would reduce it. I'll reduce it like this, then remove this first one, this red one, and duplicate this one just like this, and give it a red color, something like this, guys. I hope you are following. So this is what you will have at the end of the day. This is what you will have. So now the next thing we are going to do, guys, we are going to take this to the center, expand this. You can expand this, something like this. take it to the center like that and leave it there. All right, so now we are going to just, okay, now type out the details, all the details, or you need to just type out the details and bring it to this place like this. All right, oh, you know how to type, so don't expect me to start typing now to show you how to type. Okay, just type the details, whatever, create this thing, or you download it, it's online, or you come to most of these things, you can get them from here. All you need to do, you draw a circle like this, right? Give it a white color, something like this, or whichever color you wish to. Then you come here, that's on your brush by the right side, you click on this place, then you come here, you change these things to webdings. So once you have webdings, you will see this place where we have the entire font under this place. You see now, this is this email kind of a thing, this thing that looks like an email that you see here, the email icon. So you can just bring it here and give it a color like that. So if you want what's it called, telephone, all you need to do, as long as you type this place, this thing, you type it to webdings, so all these things will pop up. So from here you have to now go around. If you are looking for icon for website, you can just use this. You can use this. Let me give it a red color so that you can see, or a white color. So you can use this for website icon or whatever. So telephone, like I said, you can use something like this for telephone. Let me give you the white color. So sorry, not this, it's over here anyways. So now delete this. So you can use something like this for website. All you need to do, draw a circle and then turn it like this, put it inside the box. That's it. It's as simple as that. So anything you need, any icon you need, you can just come here and select it, and yeah. So that's how I was able to create this company profile using CorelDraw, guys. So so this is the final result. This is the final result of our company brochure design. So if you have any question, drop it under the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.